yung lugar ni Chis Escudero, kung saan mga kababayan, ang lumalabas na mga balita, winakasan yung kanyang sariling buhay dahil sa flood control scandal. Yan o. Post ito mga kababayan ngayon ni Atty. Jesus Falsis. DPWH exec, winakasan sariling buhay dahil sa flood control scandal, sabi sa report. O ngayon, ito yung report ng DPWH. Kinonfirm nila ang pagkamatay ng isa Sorsogon engineer. Yan o, district engineer pala to. DPWH nakiramay sa pagpanaw ng Sorsogon district engineer. 41 minutes pa lang, may 3 pang senador na makakasama daw sa mga irerekomenda nilang kaksuhan sa mga susunod na linggo. Sabi ni Chairman Andres Reyes ng ICI, Independent Commission on Infrastructure. 3 pang senador.
Nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Ito po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. May malungkot na balita mula po dito sa amin kung saan ang sabi may isang engineer ng DPWH ang namatay. And with that, sa Sorsogon po ito nangyari. Yung lugar ni Chis Escudero, kung saan mga kababayan, ang lumalabas na mga balita, winakasan yung kanyang sariling buhay dahil sa flood control scandal. Yan o. Post ito mga kababayan ngayon ni Atty. Jesus Falsis. DPWH exec, winakasan sariling buhay dahil sa flood control scandal, sabi sa report. O ngayon, ito yung report ng DPWH. Kinonfirm nila ang pagkamatay ng isa Sorsogon engineer. Yan o, district engineer pala to. DPWH nakiramay sa pagpanaw ng Sorsogon district engineer. Sabi dito sa report ng Inquirer, the Department of Public Works and Highways confirmed the death of one of its engineers in Sorsogon. DPWH also urged the public not to speculate on the cause of death of Engineer Larry Reyes, who was the chairman of the Bids and Awards Committee of the DPWH Sorsogon 1st District Engineering Office. Ay, hindi man siya pala district engineer, kundi assigned siya sa 1st District Engineering Office ng Sorsogon. Pero chairman siya ng Bids and Awards Committee. Hindi talaga siya yung district engineer or head ng district engineer, Bids and Awards Committee. Pero napaka-importante yung posisyon niya, Bids and Awards Committee. Ito'y sa gitna ng issue ng flood control scandal, mga kababayan. While there is much speculation, sabi rito, and unverified reports on social media regarding his circumstances, Engineer Reyes' family has requested the public and media for privacy and necessary space to grieve his deep loss away from public scrutiny, especially during this difficult time, sabi po ng DPWH sa kanilang statement. Ito yung pinalabas na statement ng DPWH, mga kababayan. The entire Department of Public Works and Highways family is mourning the passing of our colleague, Engineer Larry Reyes. While there is much speculation and unverified reports on social media regarding his circumstances, Engineer Reyes' family has requested the public and media for privacy and the necessary space to grieve his deep loss away from public scrutiny, especially during this difficult time. This is a profoundly private and personal matter and not related to any of the agency's issues daw. The DPWH urges everyone to honor the family's need for privacy and refrain from discussing or perpetuating unconfirmed reports. Our focus remains on supporting the family and our team members through this period of mourning. We thank you for your compassion and understanding, sabi po sa statement ng DPWH. So ito yung pagpunta ng mga taga-Soko. Sabi dito sa report ng Inquirer, the engineer's death occurred amid an ongoing probe into infrastructure projects of the DPWH suspected to be either substandard or non-existent. The infrastructure projects in Sorsogon are among those investigated by the DPWH over alleged anomalies. The Centerways Construction and Development Incorporated is the top flood control contractor in Sorsogon Province. The Sorsogon-based firm bagged 85 projects in the past 3 years worth 5.4 billion pesos. Si background of the story, sabi rito, most of the firm's projects or 55 were in Sorsogon. Centerway President Lawrence Lubiano admitted to donating 30 million pesos to the campaign kitty of now Senator Francis Chis Escudero, who was then Sorsogon governor for his 2022 senatorial campaign. Escudero, in his explanation to the Commission on Elections, said that he accepted the donation of Lubiano believing the money was given by the donor in a personal capacity. So, hindi mo mapipigil yung ating mga mamamayang Pilipino na mag-isip ang kung ano-ano. Pero ang pakiusap ng family ni Engineer Reyes na hayaan muna sila na magluksa mga kababayan sa nangyari sa kanilang mahal sa buhay kay Engineer Reyes. So, we respect mga kababayan yung pakiusap ng pamilya. Pero siyempre, hindi natin maiwasan yung mga tao na mag-isip ng malalim, lalo't nangyari ito sa gitna ng controversy sa flood control scandal. Siyempre, hindi maaalis na pwedeng iugnay nila na baka na pressure o baka may mga threats hindi natin maintindihan kasi nasa kasagsagan mga kababayan ng init sa investigasyon dito po sa mga flood control scandal. And in fact, ngayon po mga kababayan, sa latest na balita na nakuha natin, 41 minutes pa lang, may 3 pang senador na makakasama daw sa mga irerekomenda nilang kakasuhan sa mga susunod na linggo. Sabi ni Chairman Andres Reyes ng ICI, Independent Commission on Infrastructure. 3 pang senador ang kakasuhan. Nag-press con siya kanina. So sabi dito, kasama sa ikalimang referral ng ICI sa Ombudsman ang rekomendasyon kasuhan ang kontraktor na Darcy and Anna Builders and Trading at ang mga dating DPWH officials mula sa Bulacan na si Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez at iba pa. Yan, sabi diyan. The Independent Commission for Infrastructure will be submitting an interim report and recommendation to the Office of the Ombudsman concerning a 74 million flood control project in Bocaue, Bulacan, implemented by DPWH Bulacan First Engineering Office through contractor Darcy and Anna Builders in Trading. The project involves the construction of riverbank protection structure at Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan. Based on a report endorsed by the COA, it was established that no structure was constructed at the location specified in the approved bid plans. The result of the COA technical inspection together with the available records clearly established that the project was never implemented despite the unwarranted release and full payment of the contract cost by the DPWH to Darcy and Anna Builders in Trading. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang daming ghost flood control projects. At ang sabi ng ating Pangulo kanina sa kanyang press briefing po, bago magpaskuan niya, maraming makukulong. Maraming magpapasko sa kulungan, mga kababayan. Ganyan ka sinsiro at porsigido yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kaya itong mga pinaplano nila na protest rally sa November 16 to 18, ang intention po guluhin ang administrasyon. Baliktarin ang issue at plano nilang i-destabilize at kung kaya nilang mapatalsik yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at iluklok si Sara Duterte. Ano ang ultimate objective nila? Iupo si Sara para hindi na po tuloy ang investigasyon. Kasi ang daming sabit po ng mga senador at karamihan dito alyado ng mga Duterte. You see? 3 senador pa daw ang kakasuhan sa Ombudsman. I-recommend ng ICI sa Ombudsman na kasuhan. Kaya porsigido po sila. Huwag kayong paluluko dito po sa pinaplanong people power. Ang people power po nila para proteksyonan yung mga sangkot sa mga anomalya. So sabi dito, it appears that several DPWH public officials were grossly negligent, if not remiss, in the performance of the respective duties to ensure that the project was properly implemented and that government funds were lawfully and prudently disbursed. At this stage, the findings remain preliminary. The ICI will be recommending that the Ombudsman evaluate whether potential violation may exist on the part of the engineer Henry Alcantara, Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez, Engineer Ernesto Galang, Engineer Jolo Marie Tayaw, Engineer John Michael Ramos, Engineer Limuel Efraim Roque, and Mr. Darcy Kimel Respicio under the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, Malversation and Falsification Provision of the Revised Penal Code, Presidential Decree 1759, and Government Procurement Reform Act. In addition, the Commission will be recommending that the Ombudsman assess whether potential violations of the Code of Conduct and ethical standards for public officials and employees may also exist on the part of former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan, former Undersecretaries Roberto Bernardo and Maria Catalina Cabral, among others. The Commission emphasizes that it does not make categorical findings of guilt and that responsibility for determining liability rests with the proper authorities. This interim report is intended to assist in ensuring accountability in infrastructure projects, in protecting the integrity of public funds. This briefer affirms the ICI's mandate to promote transparency and its duty to responsibly provide the public with reliable and accurate information. Kaya nagpatawag ng press briefing si Andres Reyes po. Paano niya, Mr. Maravilla, si Bunuan nakalabas na ng bansa? Wala pa man kasi siyang hold departure order. Under lookout bulletin pa man lang po siya. Kaya yung mga report ng media po, misleading. Lookout. Kaya nga po in-inform tayo na si lumabas ng bansa, si Bunuan. Binabantayan lang siya kung saan na pupunta. So, nakalabas siya ng bansa kasi walang hold departure order. Wala pa man po. Nasa lookout bulletin pa man lang. At halimbawa, mga kababayan, makasuhan na siya, then ibabalik siya ng ating gobyerno dito, siyempre, through Interpol, kung may arrest warrant na sa kanya. Di ba po? Kaya huwag tayong mag-alala. Aabutin at aabutin ng long arms of the law itong mga dapat managot sa batas. Tama po? Marami daw, sabi ng ating Pangulo, magpapasko sa kulungan ngayon. Ito yung short statement po ni Andres Reyes.
We will be filing at least cases against 3 sitting or former senators. At least
sitting or former senators.
We will be filing at least cases against 3 sitting or former senators, at least 3 next week.
Mga nagsasabing ang tagal daw ng aksyon, ino-observe po ng ating administrasyon yung due process. Nasanay kasi kayo sa AG case, di ba? Ang previous administration, walang ganon sa present administration. Binibigyan ng lahat ng pagkakataon na mabigyan sila ng due process to defend themselves in court. At kailangang malakas yung ebidensya. Yan lagi yung binibigyan ng emphasis ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. Hindi, this is not anya for optics. Magpa-file ka kung mahina yung kaso, tulad ng panahon ni Digong, mahina man yung kaso laban kay Laila de Lima, kasi gawa-gawa nga pala yung kwento. Ayun, nakalabas si Laila. Di ba po? Walang ganon dito sa ating present administration. Fairmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mahinan po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry, may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, pack with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.